Curry colorway, curry colorway. Say curry colorway like 5 times fast and you just blah, blah, blah. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Atmos Air Max 1 Green Curry. Now, the Atmos Air Max 1 Curry from 2003 is going to be returning this year, and accompanying it is 2 brand new colorways, the Green Curry and the Red Curry colorway. And we've already done the Red Curry colorway, and now we're getting into the Green Curry colorway. Now let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard Nike sportswear box, the red box, and the colorway is Olive Flak and Spruce Fog. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a olive flak upper with mesh and suede detailing for the shoe. The toe cap is a mesh fog toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you've got a gray mesh tongue with gray laces, and you've got a gray and red tongue tag. You've got an olive insole with a white Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you've got an olive panel on the vamp, as well as a fog Nike swoosh, and the darker olive suede moves towards the heel. Getting into the heel now, you've got that darker olive suede, along with the gray fog Nike swoosh and a fog mesh back tab. On the medial, you have that continuation of the darker olive suede. You've got the lighter olive suede panel, as well as the fog Nike swoosh. And you've also got the gray mesh paneling kind of peeking through all towards the end. The shoe features a white midsole with a black outsole. Of all 3 pairs of the Curry shoes, this is my least favorite. That's not a knock to the Green Curry pair, it's more so how much I enjoy the other 2 colorways. The original yellow Curry colorway is a classic, and that red suede on the Red Curry pair, it just got me. Like I don't know, I just fell in love instantly. But it's a solid colorway nonetheless, and if you're interested, you should still pick it up. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Air Max 1 Green Curry hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 10th for a retail price of $150. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news,
sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.